What's up, everybody? We are here in Maria Aurora. We are doing the final construction on the school. This is the construction mission. Check it out. Kasama ko si Caleb. We're painting. And tsaka si Pastor Ike.
Hey!
Hey! And Pastor Roger. Pastor Paran.
Yeah.
Alright.
Touching the...
Alright.
The paint master.
Paint masters. So this is how we do it here in the Philippines. You got your bamboo pole, you got your paintbrush here, then you just grab a little bit of this stretchable rubber material and you're just gonna tie yourself a knot. And that's how you do it right there.
Would you mind if I sprinkle some water like this? Like sweat? This is a Philippine paint handle. Handmade.
And what's the handle?
Coconut. And there's a nut using it.
Between us and God, isn't it? And most of the time when we vision God, Jesus, that's what He's doing.
Salvation, Lord, and what it means to us, dear Heavenly Father, Lord. We thank you, Lord, for our testimonies, Lord, that we can go to places like this, not only here, Lord, but
tulad din sa ating Lord. Salamat po sa kanilang buhay, sa kanilang mga talento upang makatulong at makasama namin gumawa.
One of the reasons why I like coming over here to the Philippines is all the friends and fellowship of the people I've made over the year. And coming over here meeting new friends, like my friend here, Roy from Deep Branch and from various churches. I enjoy working with all the pastors over here, getting to know them. And I really enjoy going to church with them and having service with them because you learn a lot from the people over here.
It's amazing how resilient they are and how resourceful these people are when it comes to doing things construction-wise, and how they always maintain and keep the purpose of saving souls in perspective through all the work that they do.
Always getting new ministries.
Yes, sir.
Always.
They're always trying to grow God's kingdom through everything they do.
Amen.
I just want to thank the churches such as Bear Swamp Church, Zion Hill Baptist Church, Deep Branch Baptist Church for your partnership with us here. Thank you for sending these guys that have done great job, and we truly enjoy them. So we just want to appreciate you guys. No words could express our heartfelt appreciation. We thank you. We praise God for you.
My name is Pastor Jerry Dayot. In behalf of the Bear Swamp Baptist Mission Churches in Aurora, Philippines, I would like to say thank you and for your prayers and support. Mabuhay kayong lahat and pagpalain kayo ng Diyos.